Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to link your YouTube channel on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to link your YouTube channel on TikTok, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on the profile icon, now you'll find edit profile option. Just tap on edit profile and then scroll down, and in the bottom you will find add YouTube option. Just tap on add YouTube, and after tapping on that option now you should select the email account that you want to add your YouTube account from. So I'll just simply select one, and after selecting it now you just have to again tap on it and then tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now here you can see guys that YouTube has been successfully added. And now if someone taps on that option, then they will be directed to your YouTube channel. So that's it guys, this is how to link your YouTube channel on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.